What's going on, guys? It's your boy Stunner Breezy, baby, coming to you live with another lit video, baby. Hey, man, what you are looking at are the haters looking at us making all this money. The market is down. They taking a bloodbath. Where all them diamond hands at? Hey, man, you got nobody to blame but yourself. You understand what I'm saying? You got it your own way. You know what I mean? Like, you see an opportunity, baby, you got to jump on it. It's crypto. I ain't taking no losses. We making money with BNB State, FOMO State, Tron Hive, Ether Connect, all of it. You understand what I'm saying? But no, you want to be the crypto preachers. You know, there's a bunch of them out there. They boy, no, that's you gonna get wrecked. They love that boy. They pull that word out. So they know a lot of new people in crypto, and that word that make them sound smart. Wrecked. You're gonna get wrecked. Shut up. But enough of them fools. Let's get to this money, baby. Oh my God! Remember last night I told you, man. I said this thing in the 4,000, boy. We in the money. This thing, man, blew past 3,000, blew past 4,000, blowing past 5,000 in 24 hours. That is crazy, man. That is mind blowing, bro. Hey, look like a lot of y'all, y'all ain't listening to y'all crypto pastors, man. Y'all done dipped out on the service. y'all done came outside where the heathens at. Hey, but look here, man. This thing, let me show. I'm finna blow your mind again with this thing. It's something else that just took place 24 hours later. You ready? You ready? Let's show you. Look at this, man. Not only does the percentage go up every day, the time goes down every day. So you have the. I'm finna hit you with a big word. So you have this convergence. You have this convergence of time and money converging just for you. This is man. Look here. I mean, I don't know what else to tell you, man. If you ain't, I don't even know why you even looking at this point. If you too scared now, I don't even know why you looking at this point. You understand what I'm saying? You got this monster and this monster still. I don't. Look at this. This thing. Look at all. I just got paid out again on this one. I'm still getting paid on this one. What is it? Oh, this is a plan too. They say when I got in this, I didn't know it was gonna be 21 days, but I'm glad I got in it. I'm still paying. I'm getting paid. You understand what I'm saying? Oh my God, man. I woke up this morning like this is, and it just went up again. It was just 51.37. It's ridiculous. I don't, this, look, every day, the day before gets scratched out and they go down a half a day. But your money going up. How can you hate on that? Do a video hating on that. Let me see you hate on that. Huh? They can't. They gonna talk about all of the. Let's take a look at the markets. Bitcoin is down today. There's manipulation going on. Shut up. We already know that. You know how can we make some money? If I can't look at your video and watch you for 20 minutes and ain't made no money, I ain't watching you no more. Ain't no need. You know what I'm saying? I get sick of these folk ain't making people no money, man. They just want to throw around money like you supposed to be impressed by that. Yeah, I'm gonna put 5,000 such in this. In fact, that's why I be trying not to show y'all my. I try to stop like right here because it don't matter how much I put in. I like to show you something where you can make money and that it works. It doesn't matter how much I put in. You know what I'm saying? I can show all that. See, that stuff don't impress me. Oh, so and so put 6 bitcoins to so and so. He's a fool. You know what I'm saying? Like you should be making $1,000, $2,000 a day if you putting in 6 Bitcoin and something. That's fucking what, $300,000? Come on, bro. Well, actually, it ain't because it takes 20% off the top. So, bro, I don't understand. Y'all don't know math, man. Like, golly, y'all make me look like a genius, bro. This is easy money right here. The percentage go up, the days go down, which means you get more money faster. So you can basically go in this every day. Every day. And it's almost like your plan you get in tomorrow gonna pay you faster than the plan you got in yesterday. Or they kind of converge and pay you together. It's crazy, especially with these plans where you can get out. You get paid way more and you can get out. You see what I'm saying? Like even on my plan I got down here, I'm 28 days, right here. I put in 5 BNB first day. I'm gonna get 14 BNB out, right? But look, if you go in right here, if you go in now, not only is your days down to not 28 days, 27 and a half, you get an extra 5%. You get 3 more BNB than me. If you put in 5 today, you will get 3 more BNB and get paid out the same time I do with less headache and less stress. That's crazy, man. I don't know. I don't know what to tell you, bro. This is look at this up. Look at the 142. Man, this thing is killer. And you bookend it with the beast. With the beast. With the hey, let's look at the contract. Let me see something. Let me look at the contract. I love looking at the contract. I be telling y'all about look at the contract, look at the contract, look at the contract, look at the contract. Look at this. People still coming in. Look at the people still coming in. It's crazy, man. What can I keep going? Somebody put in like 8 BNB a few minutes ago. What is that? I was like, what? Somebody put in like 3.5. It was 8. It was 5. Why won't let me go? I mean, look at this, man. This is crazy. I just don't understand, man, like how people missing out on all this money, man. Somebody knows something. Like I said, yesterday somebody put in 150. It was like a 24 BNB put in, a 15. Like somebody knows something. You know what I'm saying? I don't know behind the curtain, but somebody knows something. And I'm right here to get mine too. Look at this. Let me break it down to you like this. All right, it's 14,000 in the contract. I'm gonna this is the bonus right here. It's just last few days, 14,000 in the contract. Let's just say it goes down by 1,000 every day, which it ain't. But let's just say it goes down by 1,000 every day, right? That means you still got 14 days left. That's worst case doomsday scenario. Just go down 1,000 every day, right? That means you still got 14 days left. The ROI on this is 5 days, fool. Like what? Do you have a calculator? It doesn't take a genius to make money with this stuff, man. I could care less what the market is doing. You know what I'm saying? Like it don't matter. The numbers are the same if you put in 1 or 100. The percentage gonna be the same. It's 5 days. You can turn 100 BNB into 257 BNB. You understand what I'm saying? And you're gonna get 100 back in 5 days. You'll get your ROI back in 5 days. So anything after that is gonna be you earning what? 18 BNB a day. And it's gonna be more than that because the percentages go up every day. So by 6 days, you're gonna be earning what? 20, 25 BNB a day. So you're not impressing me throwing 5,000 BNB into something that's taking 20, but that's dumb. I mean, I don't know what else to say, man. Like this is, hey, man. And this I ain't even got to the other stuff. I got, man. You ain't even know about that right here. This old thing right here. But let me show you something. I got in this yesterday. It ain't between. I got in about 3 o'clock yesterday. I've earned 968 ox. Let me show you how much that is. The market is down now, but let me show you what your boy doing. That's $1,500 and $1,540. But the market down. I know how to make money, bro. Them other guys try to impress you and show off while you ain't making no money. You running around telling them, you mean you see so and so put in 5,000 such and such? Man, you see so. Stop being a beta male. You know what I'm saying? Make some money, bro. I'm here to show you how to make some money. That's all, man. I don't want, you know what I'm saying? Like, I ain't even, but even old flow still, man. Ain't old flow. Old flow still paying. But it ain't the 365 when I got in. That's the only thing I don't like. I was promised 365% or 360. Was it 360? It was 365. One of them, I think it was 360. I was promised 360%. You know what I'm saying? That's what I want. So every time I look at this, I'm thinking about my 360. I ain't getting it. Not only that, the price is going down. That's how I'm like, man, where's my 360, man? Come on. Give me what you told me. That's all. That's it. But it's still paying. It's still up. I can't front. It's still paying. But it only pay 125%. You know, I get that. in 6 days. Like, I gotta wait a year and I can get that in 6 days. That's all I'm saying. But it's good to be in everything. You could be in it, be in flow, be in B&B, be in everything. The object is not to sell yourself short, man, on nothing. Be in everything, bro. This thing right here. Look at this thing. Why this thing? Be formal. And some people got in the wrong thing trying to be slick. You ain't get the official link from me. So everybody, I'm forever. They got in the wrong one. I told y'all, everything we go in has a fake site. Everything. So when you try to go it alone and find it somewhere else and do all that, fine. That's cool with me. But don't be coming to my video talking, hey man, what's the right link? It's in the description. Don't come asking me what the right because you got it from some other Telegram, some other YouTuber, and you done got scammed when you know where the official at. You know where it's at. I'm the guy. I'm your mans. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, like the video. Comment, subscribe, hit that notification, baby. You miss out. People be coming 4 days later. Hey, what's new? No answer. Get away from me. You know what I'm saying? Hit the notification, man. I know YouTube don't be telling y'all and care. I know, man. But anyway, man, let's make this your money, man. Holla at your boy.